Get ready, off-road fans. Toyota is bringing back a legend. But this time in a smaller, more aggressive package. The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ is coming. And it's packing serious ruggedness at a more affordable price. But why was it delayed? What makes it different from other SUVs? Stick around because we've got all the details. The wait is almost over. Originally expected in 2024, the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ has faced delays due to production and certification hurdles. But trust us, this compact off-roader will be worth the wait. Toyota first teased it back in 2023, showing off a boxy, retro-inspired design that pays homage to the classic FJ models while looking fresh and modern. Don't let its size fool you. This SUV is built for adventure. "177 inches long, 72 inches wide and tall, 108-inch wheelbase. And with high ground clearance, chunky off-road tyres, and a rear spare wheel, it's clear Toyota isn't holding back on toughness. Built like a true off-roader. While most small SUVs use a unibody frame, the Land Cruiser FJ is expected to have a rugged ladder frame chassis, just like the Toyota Hilux Champ. That means better durability for rock crawling, mud trails, and rough terrain. Plus, an AWD system with a Torsen limited slip differential will help it conquer any obstacle. What's under the hood? Toyota hasn't confirmed the engine yet, but rumors suggest a 2.7-litre 4-cylinder gas engine, 161 horsepower, 181 pound-feet torque, the same one in the Hilux Champ. Some reports say hybrid options were considered, but Toyota may stick with gasoline for now. Will this be enough power? Let us know in the comments. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 Land Cruiser FJ the compact off-roader you've been waiting for, or do you wish it had more power? Comment below. And if you want more updates on upcoming SUVs and trucks, subscribe now. We've got plenty more coming soon. See you in the next video.